Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all your Google search history step by step. First, open Google Chrome. Then, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. From there, click on Data and Privacy. Next, scroll down and tap on Web and App Activity. Now scroll down again and click on Manage all web and app activity. At this point, click on the Delete button next to Filter by Date and Product. Here, you can choose to delete your history from the last hour, last day, or all time. For example, select All Time. Next, choose what you want to delete and click Next to confirm. You can also delete your history using a custom date range. Just select the start and end dates, then delete the activity from that specific time period. And that's it! You've successfully deleted your Google search history. I hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides.